students, I am a teacher of Nanak Public School. Today I will teach you Science for Class 4, second lecture, Chapter 1, Plants means food producers. In previous lecture, I had explained about plants. Today we will know about leaf, their external structure, internal structure, function of leaves, photosynthesis, leaf are green due to presence of chlorophyll. Externally, this is leaf which have petiole. Greenish part is lamina, that is leaf blade, and in the middle there is a midvein which conduct minerals, water to the leaves, and then prepared food will be conducted to other parts of the plant. These are side veins. We have to explain the internal structure of leaf, which we can see only by microscope. In leaves, upper layer contains chloroplast, which have chlorophyll. Due to presence of chloroplast, it have chlorophyll which provide it green color. And in the lower side there is a layer of cells. Between cells there is a pore which is called stomata. These are guard cells. The pore of stomata provide exchange of gases, and it also release excess amount of water. Now I have to explain what is the function of leaves. Plants में पत्तियों का क्या रोल है? As we know, each and every part of the plant have particular importance, in which leaves are known as kitchen for plant because they prepare the food substances by the process of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, when water react with carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, then it prepare glucose and oxygen. So you can say in photosynthesis, plants take carbon dioxide gas and releases oxygen gas. This oxygen gas is very beneficial for living things, animals, human being. Next point, some leaves are eaten as food substitute, like spinach यानी पालकी, कैबेज पत्ता गोभी, कोरिएंडर धनिया, मिंट, पुदीना, ऐसे बहुत सारे प्लांट्स के लीव्स हैं जिनको हम फूड सब्सटेंसेस के रूप में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. We use leaves in the form of medicine, as a medicine, like tulsi, neem, mint एंड सो ऑन। ऐसे बहुत सारे लीव्स हैं जिनको हम मेडिसिन के रूप में इस्तेमाल करते हैं। प्राचीन काल से, एंशिएंट टाइम से हम डिफरेंट प्लांट्स के लीव्स को मेडिसिन के रूप में इस्तेमाल करते रहे हैं। सो प्लांट्स आर आवर गुड फ्रेंड्स, वी हैव टू कंजर्व एंड प्रोटेक्ट देम। Some leaves are used as spices like curry leaves, tejpat leaves and other leaves are also used as a spice। मसालों के रूप में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। Dear students, you have to identify why plants leaves produces glucose or starch. That process is known as photosynthesis. You can say photosynthesis is a process in which green plants prepare their food with the help of water and carbon dioxide. In the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, they prepare their own food, glucose and releases oxygen. So plants are called food producer because they are autotroph. They prepare their own food by own self by water and carbon dioxide. Water is conducted through roots of the plant and go through a stem to the leaves, then mid vein, main vein and side vein helps them to locate at that place, and carbon dioxide gas is taken from the atmosphere through stomata. So in leaves, each and every part has equal importance. Now we have to study about how we can test the presence of starch in leaves. First we take a green leaves and then boil it into a container. After boiling green leaves in water, we have to use spirit and water on boiled leaves. Then we see the green pigment, that is chlorophyll, have been disappear. So this leaf becomes colorless. After this step, we have to use iodine solution on colorless leaf, due to which on applying area the color becomes blue black. That indicates the presence of starch in the leaves. Dear students, on the basis of this lecture, you have to learn it and solve your exercise. Some questions you have to solve, like what is leaf, which pigment is present in the leaves due to which leaves are green, why green leaves are called kitchen of the plant, what is chlorophyll, what is chloroplast, what is photosynthesis, which gas is released from the leaves. Answer is oxygen gas. Which gas is utilize in photosynthesis carbon dioxide gas, by which water, mineral salts are conducted in the plants? Answer is roots. So you have to solve your exercise and learn it. Thank you very much.